First official images of Honor 50 look like the Huawei P50. And it's also called the 50.
Oh.
But don't you remember, Will? Yeah. Honor was sold. It's no longer part of Huawei. So therefore, it doesn't have the same type of sanctions and issues.
Yeah, I'm guessing this was in development before the split.
And they just hand over the the paperwork.
You get this
the plans. You get one freebie. Yeah. Well, it's not uncommon when the two brands were under the same roof. This happened frequently that they would share certain design elements. So that's not really a surprise. The fact that they have the same number as an indicator for the name is also indicative that they're not really trying to hide it. But what it does mean is kind of a pretty powerful spec sheet for this Honor 50 series. 100-watt super fast charge. Hyper curved screen launching in Shanghai June 16th. That's pretty soon. It won't be flagship level from a price perspective. Apparently, it's going to have a Snapdragon 778G processor. What else? Yeah, I don't know what else. I mean, basically, the reason it's noteworthy is because it seems to imply some kind of relationship, like lasting relationship between these two brands, even since the split. It's also just noteworthy because this camera layout is not something, it's a shocking camera layout. Like that's the reason the P50 was getting so much attention. It's like, geez, where are we going with this camera layout? This one looks maybe a little bit smaller.
Yeah, it's more subdued.
But it is still 4 cameras, including one absolute monster at the top. We're going to have to wait to see why that's the case, what that implementation looks like, and it could act as an indicator for what the P50 has in it as well. But who knows? I mean, we'll never see this stuff over here anyway.